Looking to upgrade your cleaning routine without overspending? In today's video on Tech and Gadget Reviews, I'm breaking down the top 12 best robot vacuum under $500 that deliver powerful suction, smart navigation, and real convenience for everyday life. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust, or busy schedules, these picks are designed to make cleaning effortless. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's get started! Lefant LiDAR Robot Vacuum. I really like how this robot vacuum combines smart LiDAR mapping with strong suction for efficient daily cleaning around the house. It scans rooms quickly, builds accurate maps, and moves in neat lines instead of random bumping. That means faster cleaning and fewer missed spots on hard floors or carpets. The slim design helps it slide under sofas and beds where dust loves hiding. App controls let me schedule sessions, set no-go zones, and choose cleaning modes anytime. Battery life feels dependable, and it automatically returns to charge when power runs low. If you want smart navigation without spending premium money, this model delivers excellent value. It is especially handy for pet hair, crumbs, dust, and everyday messes in busy homes each week. Robot Vacuum Mop Cleaner. I enjoy how this model handles vacuuming and mopping together, saving time during busy days when floors need quick attention. Strong suction lifts crumbs, dust, and pet hair, while the mop pad wipes light dirt from hard surfaces. It moves smoothly around furniture and reaches corners better than many basic models I have tested. The compact body fits under tables, couches, and cabinets with ease. Scheduling through the app means I can start cleaning even when away from home. Noise levels stay comfortable enough for work calls or relaxing evenings. Automatic charging adds convenience because it docks itself when power gets low. If you need an affordable 2-in-1 cleaner, this option brings practical features and reliable everyday performance to homes today. Lefant Smart Robot Vacuum. The Lefant Smart Robot Vacuum is designed for simple, reliable, and efficient everyday cleaning. I like how compact and lightweight it is, allowing it to move easily through tight spaces and under furniture. Despite its small size, it delivers strong suction that effectively handles dust, crumbs, and pet hair. It runs quietly, making it ideal for use at any time without disturbing your routine. The Smart App Control lets you schedule cleanings and adjust settings with ease, adding convenience to your day. Battery life is decent, covering a good portion of your home on a single charge. Its straightforward design focuses on performance without unnecessary complexity. Overall, this vacuum is a great budget-friendly option for anyone looking for dependable cleaning performance with simple controls and consistent results for daily home maintenance. Roborock Qrevo Smart Vacuum. I am impressed by how this Roborock model blends premium smart features with powerful floor cleaning under a reasonable budget. Navigation is quick and accurate, creating room maps that help the vacuum clean efficiently with fewer repeats. Strong suction handles dirt, pet hair, and carpet debris, while mop functions add extra shine to hard floors. The app feels polished and easy to use for schedules, room targeting, and no-go zones. I also like the quiet motor during lighter cleaning modes. Battery life is excellent for larger homes, and Recharge plus Resume helps finish unfinished jobs automatically. Build quality feels sturdy and dependable. If you want advanced performance close to flagship models, this robot vacuum is a very smart pick today. Ecohome Robot Vacuum Mop. This model gives me a practical mix of vacuuming and mopping features for homes that need quick daily maintenance. Suction power works well on dust, crumbs, and pet hair, while the mop function refreshes sealed hard floors nicely. I appreciate the low-profile body that reaches under beds, sofas, and tables where dirt builds up. Navigation is straightforward and dependable for normal room layouts. Controls are simple, making it easy for anyone to start cleaning without a learning curve. Battery life supports multiple rooms before heading back to the dock automatically. Noise stays moderate, which I find helpful during work hours. If you want an affordable cleaner with 2-in-1 convenience, this robot offers solid everyday value for busy households everywhere. Monsga LiDAR Robot Vacuum. I like this vacuum because LiDAR navigation gives it smarter movement and more organized cleaning patterns than basic bump models. It maps rooms accurately, avoids obstacles better, and wastes less time repeating the same spaces. Strong suction makes it useful for pet hair, crumbs, dust, and carpet debris throughout the week. The app lets me schedule runs, adjust power levels, and create restricted zones quickly. Its slim frame reaches under furniture where traditional vacuums often struggle. Battery performance feels dependable, and auto recharge keeps maintenance low. I'd also appreciate the quieter operation compared with louder upright vacuums. If you want modern mapping technology without overspending, this model delivers a smart balance of features, cleaning power, and everyday convenience for homes. Roborock Q7 LiDAR Vacuum. The Roborock Q7 LiDAR vacuum is built for powerful and efficient cleaning with advanced navigation technology. I really like how its LiDAR system maps your home accurately and ensures organized cleaning paths for maximum coverage. The suction power is impressive, easily picking up dust, debris, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. It features smart mapping, allowing you to set cleaning zones, schedules, and preferences through the app. The battery life is strong, making it suitable for larger homes without interruption. Its sleek design and quiet operation enhance the overall experience. It also adjusts cleaning performance based on different surfaces automatically. Overall, this vacuum delivers reliable performance, smart features, and consistent results, making it a great option for anyone looking for a high-performing robot vacuum for daily cleaning tasks daily. Tikom LiDAR Robot Vacuum. This vacuum catches my attention with useful LiDAR mapping and strong suction at a competitive price point. It scans rooms quickly, follows organized routes, and avoids random wandering that wastes battery life. I like how it handles pet hair, crumbs, and dust on both hard floors and area rugs. App controls make scheduling easy, and no-go zones help protect cords or pet bowls. The slim profile slides under beds and couches to reach hidden dirt spots. Battery life feels reliable for routine cleaning sessions, then it returns to dock automatically. Noise levels stay reasonable, which I appreciate during work hours. If you need smart navigation and solid cleaning power without paying premium prices, this model deserves serious attention today. Smart 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum. I enjoy the flexibility of this 2-in-1 cleaner because it vacuums and mops in one pass. That saves time for anyone who wants cleaner floors without extra daily effort. Suction power works nicely on dust, crumbs, and hair, while the mop pad handles light footprints and surface dirt. Its compact design moves under furniture and around chairs with ease. Controls are beginner-friendly, whether using buttons, remote options, or app functions, depending on version. Battery life supports normal room cleaning before returning to charge. I also like that maintenance stays simple with easy bin emptying. If your goal is affordable convenience and basic smart cleaning features, this robot vacuum is a smart household choice today. Eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum. The Eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum is known for its ultra-slim design and quiet performance, making it ideal for daily cleaning. I really like how it easily slides under furniture, reaching areas that are often missed by larger vacuums. Despite its compact size, it delivers strong suction power that works well on both carpets and hard floors. It uses a simple navigation system, but still provides good overall coverage during cleaning sessions. The battery life is solid, allowing consistent performance without frequent charging. It's very easy to operate using a remote control, making it user-friendly for anyone. Its quiet operation ensures minimal disruption during use. Overall, this vacuum is a reliable and efficient option for maintaining a clean home without complicated features or high cost. ILIFE Slim Robot Vacuum. The ILIFE Slim Robot Vacuum is built for simplicity and convenience, making it a great choice for everyday cleaning needs. I like how lightweight and compact it is, allowing it to move easily through tight spaces and under furniture. The suction power is decent, effectively picking up dust, hair, and small debris from